In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through a simple flow to review a project's timing and understand where work stands, using timeline and Gantt views. I'll add helpful context along the way so you know exactly what you're looking at and why it matters. Start by opening the timeline view in your workspace. You can get there from the left sidebar or by navigating to the space or folder where your project lives. If you don't immediately see timeline, make sure you're in the right level and that timeline is enabled for this area. Timeline gives you a high-level schedule so you can see how items line up across days or weeks, which is perfect for a quick planning check. Next, click into the example item you want to review on that timeline. This could be a specific list, project, or task group that represents the work you're tracking. Opening it focuses the view on just that set of tasks, which makes it easier to understand relationships and spot anything that might be out of place. Inside that item, look for the View menu. Views in ClickUp let you switch how information is displayed without changing the underlying data. Selecting the right view is key because it frames your decisions. List is great for details, board for status flow, timeline for sequence, and Gantt for structure across time. Choose the Gantt view. The Gantt chart lays out tasks along a calendar with start and due dates, and often shows dependencies as connecting lines. This view is ideal for identifying bottlenecks, seeing overlaps, and confirming that work streams are ordered correctly. If the chart looks zoomed in or out, adjust the timescale so the entire project window is visible. That makes date relationships much clearer at a glance. Now, check dates carefully. Verify each task's start and due dates align with the plan, and watch for gaps that create idle time or overlaps that cause conflicts. Make sure critical tasks finish before their dependents begin. Pay attention to anything that extends beyond the project's target end date, and note if weekends or non-working days are being counted in your schedule, since that can shift timelines. Finally, review items that are in a waiting state. These are tasks that can't proceed because they depend on something else, need approval, or are blocked by an external factor. Confirm that each waiting task has a clear reason and an expected unblock date, so it doesn't silently stall your schedule. Use the Gantt layout to see what's downstream of those waiting items and how delays could ripple through the plan. That's the flow. Open timeline, drill into the item, switch to Gantt, check dates, and confirm what's waiting. With this routine, you'll spot risks early and keep your project on track.